back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this spidery Halloweenish look, and it's inspired by, let me get this look. It's not as good as her, but your girl did it. It's my version. So her name is TheBeautyByBella, and this is her Instagram. She is fire. You guys should go follow her. I'm gonna leave like her stuff down below. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Okay, so what's up, guys? So this is the look that I was inspired by. At first, I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. You guys know what I use for my eyebrows. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be carving out the brows with that. It was kind of hard to open. I got in my Ipsy bag. It was a sample, but it was really good. It's worth it, so if you guys are thinking about purchasing it, you should go out and try it. Alright, I'm just making sure that I'm blending it out, making sure that my concealer is even. Alright, so I'm just taking the other side of my spoolie, and it's a brow gel, and I'm just setting my brows and making them the shape I want them to be. Alright, and I'm also going to be taking my Tarte Shape Concealer, and I'm going to be putting it on my eyes and just priming my lids for that for my eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm taking my Maybelline NY Soda Pop palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Grape Pop and putting that in my crease and up to my brow bone. Alright, so the next color I'm going to be taking is actually an e.l.f. eyeshadow from the Mad for Matte collection, and I'm just going to be taking the black shade. It doesn't really have a name, so I guess I'll just call it that, you know, for the Halloween. But it's a cute color, it's a nice subtle black, and I just kept taking it and building it and taking my C brush, and then I'll take a fluffy brush and blend it out. Alright, so I'll just be going back in with my Soda Pop palette and taking that Grape Pop color and just putting it back in the place it was in because the black kind of made it die down. So also I'm taking this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but first I'm going to wipe away some of the black so I can go ahead and carve it out for my next color. Alright, I'm just taking Crushing from the Soda Pop palette, and I'm just going to be adding that into the center of my eye where I cut my crease at. Alright, cuties, I'm just taking Crushing and Grape Pop, and I'm putting Crushing in my waterline, and I'm putting Grape Pop on my lower lash line. Alright, so this is just a little close-up on my look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But we're not finished. So I'm going to be taking some wing liner, and I'm going to be drawing 4 lines diagonally, like on my face and stuff. And this is going to create the base of our spider web. Alright, shorty. So I'm just going to be taking the Luna highlighter by Luna. And this is their baked highlighter. And I'm not too sure what the name is, but I'm going to leave the name. Alright. Alright, so this is just the look of a up close look on the look. So this is the eye without wing, and then this is the eye with the wing. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and show your friends, you know, get some more people in here to show some love. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy.